Come on, Dad, get up. Wake up!
I'm awake. Ugly! You know how much I hate being awake, so there'd better be a real good reason for this.
How could you forget? This is the most important day of my life. I'm starting school today. You hear that noise? That's the school bell. Now I'm going to be late for my first day ever. This is my big chance to make lots and lots of friends, and I'm missing it. What if I'm late and everybody's already found friends? What if nobody needs another friend and I'm left all alone? What if... Huh? Ratso, are you okay?
Now you're for it.
Oh. And that's the big 500. Mayor Esmeralda, Peep Olga. And to what do we owe the pleasure?
What do you think you're doing? Ugly is supposed to be starting school today.
Ugly? You never mentioned this.
Huh?
Never mind the fact that you should be at work. Do you even know what your job is around here?
What kind of question is that? Of course I know what my job is. I'm insulted that you'd even ask.
Then do it. Peep?
The school roof was damaged in last night's storm and it needs immediate repairing. All the children are back to school today.
Are you sure you want me to fix it? It sounds more like a job for the handyman.
You are the handyman.
Huh? Hmm?
Right. I want him in the school and you on the roof.
And we won't accept any shoddy workmanship.
Shoddy workmanship? Me? How could you even think a thing like that?
I want the job done right. Got it?
I'm not going.
But I got out of my bed and everything.
What if nobody likes me?
Why wouldn't they like you?
Because I look weird.
Don't worry. When I was your age, I looked weird too. But now, check me out.
Oh, boy.
Now, you be a good little chick for teacher. Mommy's very proud of you. Don't forget to eat it all. I'll be checking.
Okay, kids, let's get you all inside.
Good grief! She's your teacher? I've been trying to meet her since we arrived. She's the most beautiful goose I've ever seen.
She's a duck.
Well, whatever she is, she's coming over. Who's my special guy?
I don't know. Who?
Now, remember what I'm always telling you. Education-ness is next to loveliness.
What the heck does that mean?
That's what we're sending you to school to find out. It's so hard to say goodbye.
Hello there. My name's Daphne, and you must be ugly. Don't worry, he'll be fine.
It's not him I'm worried about. It's me. Ugly's all I've got in this world. Without him, I'm all alone. Or, to put it another way, completely single. Some might even say available.
Okay. Goodbye then, Mr.
Ratso.
Now, class, this is Ugly. He's new, and I want you all to make him feel welcome. Go and sit down, and we'll begin. Don't be afraid. Just find yourself a seat.
Me? Yes. Okay, thank you.
Ugly, what are you doing on the floor?
I was... Nothing.
Then sit down. There'll be plenty of time for playing at lunch.
Yes, miss. Ow!
You are the handyman. This is the worst job I ever...
Okay, kids, let's...
Hey! How's everybody doing down there?
If you don't mind, Roscoe, we're trying to do our lessons here.
It's Ratzo, but Roscoe's nice too. And don't worry, you won't even know I'm here.
Now, where were we? Oh!
Nice to see you again, my petal.
Okay, kids. Maybe this would be a good time to take a break.
This is our playground. You don't get to play with anything unless we say so.
And we don't say so.
But if we don't let him on the swings, how are we gonna push him off?
All right, children, let's get back inside.
Saved by the bell. But don't worry, there's always tomorrow.
Oh. What a day.
I know. Wasn't it great? Who would have thought falling through a roof could be so much fun? Daphne acted angry, but I could see the love in her eyes. Roll on tomorrow.
I'm never going to school again.
What? What are you talking about? But you have to go back to school. I'm nearly finished fixing the roof.
So?
So, once the roof's fixed, I won't be able to see Daphne anymore, unless you're still in school.
What difference does that make?
Well, every time you get in trouble, Daphne will want to see your father, me. Promise me you'll get in lots of trouble.
Don't you even care that I had the worst day of my life?
Oh, right. Sure I do. Now, tell Ratso all about it.
I didn't make any friends at school, and some of the kids are picking on me.
Don't say another word. I'm on the case.
So I don't have to go to school anymore?
Of course you do. But don't worry, we're not going to let a few bullies get the better of you.
Where are we going?
For some expert advice.
What are we waiting for?
Not what, Ugly. Who? We're waiting for our favorite worm, Wesley.
Oh, why?
Because if anybody knows a thing or two about bullying, it's a worm in a yard full of chickens. He's the bravest guy I know. Wesley!
You scared me.
Wesley, I need your help. Ugly's having a little bullying trouble at school, and I thought you might give him some advice on how to overcome his fears.
Oh, well, why didn't you say so? Overcoming your fears is easy. You see, what you did you hear a chicken?
No.
Oh, I thought I heard a chicken. Let's talk somewhere else. Oh, that's better. I feel a lot safer up here. So, you want to know how to deal with bullies? Well, you came to the right guy. There's only 2 things you need to remember.
Now listen closely, Ugly.
Run and hide. Works every time.
Whoa, you were right, Ratso. He is good.
He's just kidding. Nothing scares Wesley. He spends most of his time in dark underground tunnels, right?
That's true. You want to see some of my other favourite hiding places?
Oy, I can't believe we climbed a chicken coop for this.
At least you tried.
Oh, no, this isn't over. What you need is some fatherly advice. I don't know why I didn't come to me in the first place. There's only one way to sort out these bullies, and that's to beat them at their own game.
You want me to bully the bullies?
Exactly!
But I don't want to be a bully.
You're not going to be. All you have to do is pretend to be a bully, and they'll leave you alone.
Oh, but that's just stupid.
First of all, we're gonna have to find you a good bully name. How do you feel about Crusher? Oh, no, wait! Muscles! No? Okay. We'll leave Muscles on the maybe pile.
This day just couldn't get any worse. Ugh. Are you okay?
It was an accident, and Lou did it!
No, I didn't. Emmy threw it.
Yes, but you were supposed to catch it!
You mean you're not bullies too?
No. Are you kidding? It's only those 3 nasty chicks, Pox, Soup, and Wing.
They used to bully us until Egg joined the class. Then it was her turn. And now it's you. Who's Egg? She was the kid sitting 3 rows ahead if you think 2 seats to the left of the 3rd middle row.
She's the one who looks like an egg.
I was getting to that. I think you'll like her.
Lou? Emmy?
Huh?
Have you seen tonight's dinner? I left a corn pie on the balcony.
No, Mom. We've been out playing with the Frisbee the whole time.
Okay. Huh? We don't have a Frisbee.
Guys, I think I found your dinner.
Gotta
Gotta
go.
go.
See you tomorrow.
Yeah, see you tomorrow. I've got it.
Well, whatever it is, don't bring it in here. It stinks. I knew you'd change your mind. Good night, Muscles.
Will you please stop calling me that?
But how are you gonna be a bully with a name like Ugly?
I'm not gonna be a bully. I got my own plan to keep the bullies away from me.
He's only been at school for 1 day, and already he has his own plan. I'm so proud of you, Muscles.
Stop calling me that.
What is that smell?
It's me.
Wow! I mean, as a rat, I hate being clean as much as the next guy. But don't you think you're overdoing it?
Nope. This is my bully repellent. Who's gonna push me around when I smell like this? They won't come near me.
Well, look who decided to come back to school.
Bad move.
Yeah, bad. What smells around here?
Roasted rooster! Is that you?
Yep. Looks like somebody's troubles are over. Hi, everybody. Everybody, hello?
So, you've decided to take my advice and beat the bullies at their own game.
I guess. But how?
In order to beat the bully, you must think like the bully. See? I'm just a little guy. Get over here and bully me.
My name's Muscles, and This is stupid. I want to stop the bullies, not join them.
You want these guys to leave you alone?
Yeah.
Then come on. Say something mean about me.
You've got big ears.
No. It has to be true. There's no point in telling me I have big ears when everyone knows I have cute little seashell ears.
Well, they are a little big.
Didn't you hear a word I said? Why would you say I have big ears if I clearly... Wait a minute. They're not like seashells at all. They're huge.
They're not that big.
I'm a monster. Don't tell Daphne. That was some good bullying. Well done. Okay, kiddo. Today's your big day. Don't forget the walk.
Yeah, hey.
That's my boy. Now, don't forget the voice.
Hi, how you doing?
Okay, forget the voice. Now, let me see your stuff one more time.
No, what if someone hears?
Nobody's gonna hear. Show me the goods. All right. Now, tell me how it is, Muscles.
You should watch who you're talking to, big ears.
Ugly.
Zip it. I'm going to count to 3, and if you're still here, there's going to be some real trouble. 1, 2... You better run, mister. There's a new bully in the yard.
I guess we were wrong about you. You're just the same as those other bullies.
No, you've got it all wrong. That was just a bit of fun.
Maybe for you, but you shouldn't talk to your parents like that. Not to their face, anyway.
Really, I was kidding. Watch. No, wait. I was just trying to...
Nice work, kid. We could use a duck like you. You sure showed that rat a thing or two.
Don't worry about those guys. You're not one of them.
I'm not?
No, you're one of us.
I am?
Lucky for you, because we're the only friends you got.
Hi, Daphne.
Aren't you supposed to be fixing that hole?
Ratso!
Ladies, what a pleasure. If this is about the roof, I can explain.
I'm tired of your excuses, rat. I want that roof finished today, or you will find yourself looking for a new home. Now fix it and no buts.
But...
No buts!
Look at that egg kid over there having fun. Yeah, who does she think she is?
Let's go!
Hi, guys.
What do you want? Shouldn't you be bullying someone with your friends?
You got me all wrong. I'm not like that.
Hey, Ugly, you're missing the fun. Hey, Ugly.
Coming!
I knew it.
Here comes Ugly. Better learn how to fly real quick, Egg.
What are you gonna do?
Yeah, Ugly. What are you going to do?
I'm gonna help her down.
What? You can't help her down. You're one of us.
No, I'm not. I'm nothing like you. Huh?
Oh. Now you've really done it.
Huh?
Oh! This isn't over. Yeah!
Well, I guess this makes you one of us.
What the heck? How did that happen? It's worse than ever. This'll take weeks to fix. This will take weeks to fix. Great news, my sweet.